Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to cut the tree. Now this is inside my house, okay? Now, I think I have uploaded the video on another YouTube channel, I do not know, but look at these. See those? This is my handsaw, and these are my loppers. So, we're going to go loppers first, actually handsaw first. So, this is how you saw a tree. So, you put your hand like right here, and be careful, alright? You just go back and forth, nice and slowly. Now, if it's tough, start out a little fast like that, to try to get it in, and just keep the pace how you want it, guys. I actually do it fast, but if you want to, you can do it slow or fast. It doesn't really matter. Or you can do it like that if it gets stuck. Just rub it across the tree like that. You go like that.
Hey, what them things said, oh, it's even earlier today?
Guy, don't talk about it. Because I'm recording. Alright guys, cut up under, and then you feel the little branch, see? Alright. Now you take it. Now you can cut the whole thing down. Now this brand I got from Walmart, and it's called Hyper Tough. You can tell by its sharp teeth that it cuts pretty well. But friction makes it stuck. That's why it gets stuck like that. All saws do that. Even chainsaws. There you go, guys. See? Alright, so my carpet is clean, and I just don't want to get, like, leaves on it, so pick your leaves up off of it too, whatever falls. Or some sawdust, but
Yeah, on the cover, right?
I'm going to sweep right here anyways. Okay, guys. Now, what you do is you put it between cushion like that, and now you just start clipping. Now, make sure you clip it, and make sure it goes on a sheet. Alright? Just like that. Put my saw up here. This is how you cut your bush, too. But we're actually cutting the whole tree. And I got another one for you, so it'll be either part 2, part 3, or part 4. And I'm actually vacuuming right here, and I'm going to show the vacuum on here, too.
Oh, you go, yeah.
I'm actually sweep whatever is still showing.
Where you go?
There you go, guys. And this is how you cut with loppers. You put the branch between the loppers and you just snip. It's very easy to snip, guys. And it's also simple. So you just keep cutting until you think it's at the right point for you to use the handsaw. Now these loppers can cut pretty big branches, but you just don't want to throw them out, so I prefer the handsaw too. You go on this side. See how I do it? And you clip it fast so you won't take all that. Now if the tree falls, put it between there again. Trying to keep it steady as possible. Now the vacuum is not going to be on the video, so I prefer you to vacuum too. See, I'm actually vacuuming off the couch right here too. There you go, you just bring it over. One gets caught, take it over. See that fell on the floor? Well, we need to get the cover right there. Alright. That fell back here. this already. This took. Really don't care where they go, but I just like more hygiene. Now, the easiest way to get the job done is to use your lockers. And if you feel like any branch is too big, just cut them up. See
How many in
do it?
there? How many in there?
See how I do it, guys? Here we go. I'm actually sweep wherever I think is dust and debris. So we swept over here, all back there, that area. Then if I see something in the room, I sweep that up too. So, it's good to kind of clip them up because it's more better for you to dispose. Now, YouTube watchers, I'm going to give you a warning about something. If you think this video is inappropriate, don't put mean comments on there.
Yeah.
And don't do anything else. And if you ever want to come over my house, ask me first in the comments. Because if you do it without permission, police will be called. I don't want nobody in my property. This is my home, and this is where God stays at, which is up in heaven.
That's right.
So, if you don't want to come in my yard when I give you a warning, don't do it. Or otherwise, if you ask me, feel free to come over. If you're a good person, though.
No, they're not free to come over. No.
But if you're a bad person, don't come over. Okay? I don't want anybody in my yard anyways, or in my house. This is only my property, private property, no trespassing, or otherwise, jail.
Yeah,
Tree's almost down, guys.
Sorry.
See how I cut them up? This is how you do them. Now, my dad just said they don't need to feel free, so y'all, whoever's trying to ask me in the comments, don't come over anyways. I don't want anybody over my house. This is private property. You can only watch from YouTube. Oops. That one went back there. Alright, so I've got most of the tree done. The tree. And part one's over. Okay, guys.